Our gut is an amazing part of our body. It's a complex system that does so much more than just process the food we eat. It's not just about digestion. Our gut influences many aspects of our health, from our immune system to our mental well-being. It plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. A healthy gut can improve our mood, energy levels, and even our skin. We're talking about trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that call our gut home. These tiny inhabitants are essential for our health. This community is known as the gut microbiome, and it's incredibly important. It helps regulate our metabolism and protect us from diseases. A balanced and diverse gut microbiome is key to a strong immune system, efficient digestion, and even a happy mood. It can also help reduce inflammation and support brain health. Think of your gut as a garden. Just like a garden needs care and attention, so does our gut. Just like a garden thrives with a variety of plants, our gut needs a diverse range of good bacteria to flourish. This diversity helps maintain balance and harmony within our body. These good bacteria help us break down food, produce vitamins, and fight off harmful invaders. They also play a role in detoxifying our body and maintaining a healthy weight. When we take care of our gut, we're investing in our overall health and vitality. Simple actions like eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and managing stress can make a big difference. Let's explore how we can cultivate a thriving gut garden through simple yet powerful lifestyle choices. By making mindful decisions every day, we can support our gut health and in turn our overall well-being. What we eat has a direct impact on the trillions of microbes living in our gut. These microbes play a crucial role in our overall health, influencing everything from digestion to immune function. It's like providing a feast for our tiny allies. When we consume a variety of nutritious foods, we support the growth of beneficial bacteria. A diet rich in fiber is essential for a healthy gut microbiome. Fiber can be found in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Fiber acts like a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. These prebiotics help maintain a thriving microbial community. These good bacteria ferment fiber, producing short-chain fatty acids that benefit our gut health in numerous ways. These acids help reduce inflammation and support the gut lining. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can disrupt the balance of our gut microbiome. This imbalance can lead to various health issues. These foods can promote the growth of harmful bacteria, leading to inflammation and a host of digestive issues. Over time, this can affect our overall well-being. By making conscious food choices, we can shape the composition of our gut microbiome and support its delicate balance. Eating a diverse range of whole foods can make a significant difference in our health. So, what are the best foods to nourish our gut garden? Let's dive into the world of gut-friendly foods and discover how they can help us maintain a flourishing microbiome. Fermented foods are teeming with beneficial bacteria, acting as probiotics that directly introduce good microbes into our gut. These foods undergo a process of lactofermentation, which not only preserves them, but also enhances their nutritional value. Think yogurt with live and active cultures, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir. These fermented delights are not only tasty, but also packed with probiotics that can help balance our gut flora. These foods help to diversify the gut microbiome and support its overall health. Don't forget about fiber. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are all excellent sources of prebiotic fiber, providing food for the good bacteria in our gut. Prebiotics act as fuel for probiotics, helping them to thrive and multiply. Aim to incorporate a colorful array of these foods into your daily meals. The more variety, the better, as different colors often indicate different nutrients and benefits. Remember, a diverse and balanced diet is key to a healthy gut. It's not just about eating one type of food, but combining various gut-friendly options to create a harmonious environment for our microbiome. By nourishing our gut with the right foods, we provide the building blocks for a thriving microbiome. A healthy gut can lead to improved digestion, better immunity, and overall well-being. So, let's make mindful choices and enjoy the journey to a healthier gut. Exercise isn't just good for our heart and muscles. It also benefits our gut. Regular physical activity helps to improve gut motility, the process by which food moves through our digestive system. This can help prevent constipation and promote regularity. Exercise also increases blood flow to the gut, providing essential nutrients and oxygen to support a healthy microbiome. Studies have shown that exercise can increase the diversity of our gut bacteria, which is a sign of a healthy and resilient microbiome. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga class, or a bike ride, find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Stress less. Digest better. Stress doesn't just affect our minds, it takes a toll on our gut as well. When we're stressed, our bodies release hormones like cortisol that can disrupt the balance of our gut microbiome. This can lead to inflammation, increased gut sensitivity, and digestive issues. Chronic stress can even exacerbate existing gut conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for both our mental and gut health. Techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, and spending time in nature can help to calm the mind and soothe the gut. Practical tips for a gut-friendly lifestyle. Incorporating gut-friendly practices into our daily lives doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making gradual changes to your diet. Increase your intake of fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Experiment with fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Make time for regular exercise. Even 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week can make a difference. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. And don't forget to manage stress. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your day, such as deep breathing exercises or meditation. Prioritize quality sleep, as it plays a vital role in gut health. Reap the rewards. Benefits of a healthy gut. Taking care of our gut is an investment in our overall well-being. A healthy gut contributes to a strong immune system, better digestion, improved mood, and increased energy levels. When our gut microbiome is balanced, it helps to keep our immune system functioning optimally. A healthy gut also means better digestion and nutrient absorption. When our gut is functioning properly, we're able to break down food more efficiently and absorb the essential nutrients our bodies need. This can lead to increased energy levels, improved mood, and overall better health. Embrace the gut revolution. The importance of gut health is finally getting the recognition it deserves. More and more research is emerging, highlighting the profound connection between our gut and overall well-being. It's time to embrace the gut revolution and prioritize this essential aspect of our health. By making simple, yet powerful lifestyle changes, we can cultivate a thriving gut microbiome and reap the countless rewards. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. Your gut. The gateway to overall well-being. Our gut is truly a remarkable organ, playing a much larger role in our health than we ever imagined. It's not just about digestion, it's about immunity, mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. By taking care of our gut, we're investing in our health and vitality for years to come. So, are you ready to embark on a journey toward a healthier gut? Start by incorporating these simple tips into your daily life and experience the transformative power of a thriving microbiome. Your gut will thank you.